I should just know better. I should have known better. I don't know what to say, but I should have tested this product on a portion of my hair before I actually used the product in my hair. What was I thinking? Welcome back to Madame Yasmin, where we glow more every day, even when we need to glow in the midst of challenges. Okay, today I'm about to tell you about my bad hair experience. So I'm having a lot of issues with my hair because I actually went out and bought a product that I was going to try. And this is not the first time I've tried, other products from other makers, local manufacturers like myself. Especially since I organize the Green Butterfly Market. I always love to support my community businesses and so on, but in this case it was a big mistake. Okay, it was a big mistake. Now let me tell you what happened. So I decided to try this new product on my hair, and it was a set, a shampoo and a conditioner. So I bought the product to try in my hair. The shampoo felt fine, when I used it. I was actually even taping, and it seemed fine at first. I mean, there wasn't anything. I didn't notice anything. It just felt like there was a lot of, it was kind of sharp, like there was a lot of, peppermint or something strong in it. And then after I was done with the shampoo, I used the conditioner. I used that in my hair, detangled my hair. My hair felt very soft and everything. But then after I used the product, my hair began to dry out really bad. Like it began to really dry up. And no matter how much moisturizer I added to my hair, nothing was happening. My hair was just stiff and dry. And the sad thing is that my daughter also used the product. Like I used it with my daughter, and the same thing happened to my daughter's hair. Our hair was just dry and difficult to moisturize. So it's been about 3 or 4 months since I purchased the product, and what I found after using the product was that my hair became like it was dying out. Like I literally had dead hair on my head. So I've been working to revive it, and I've been so self-conscious about doing a video on my hair because the hair is just totally a mess right now, and I'm working on like doing masks. I haven't had that much time, so I know I shouldn't be like making excuses. I have to make time. I have to make time. So guys, I'm going to make time, okay, because I need to work on my hair. The roots are coming back, you can see the bottom part is doing a lot better. I've been trying to do masks, and I'm not washing too much with shampoo at the moment because it's really strips your hair of all the good oils, and you need the good oils to get your hair looking and feeling good. First of all, moisture, 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 and more moisture. Okay, just keep moisturizing. That helps to revitalize the hair. Sometimes if the hair is really dead, you might need to trim it often so that you can get new hair growing. So that's what I'm going to do actually this week. I'm planning to get a trim, and then also to continue doing my masks and all the treatments that I'm doing with the hair. Also to use less shampoo. I don't want to use too much anything that is going to dry out my hair. So even with the shampoo, I use very mild, something that I make myself, and I'm sure that it's very mild and good for my hair. So that's what I'm doing at the moment with washing. Here's my hair after about 2 or 3 months. Okay, it's been more than 3 months. I think it's about 3.5 months since I bought the product and since I used the product. My hair looks a whole lot better than it looked in the first month. I was really paranoid in the first month. I thought I was gonna have to cut my hair. Like I thought I would just have to cut my hair. Even now, there are parts of the hair that is always very dry, and like when I'm trying to moisturize it, it's like, what have I been doing basically to revive my hair? I'm going to share that with you. First of all, I just stopped using any other shampoo except what I know, which is mine. My daughter was telling me, you know, she was really scolding me about the fact that I'm using other people's products because I make the best products. Okay, blowing my own horn here, but hey, what can I say? I mean, stuff's good, okay? So, what have I been doing to get my hair back to normal is doing a lot of nourishing masks. You know, I like making videos about hair masks, but there has never been a time in my life I've needed a hair mask more than now. So just putting in a lot of moisture and using hair masks. What have I been doing? I've been using a lot of baobab oil in my hair, a lot of shea oil, a lot of coconut oil, and I actually have a hair oil that I make which is on sale, so you can check it out. I'll put the link down, but that is my go-to product every day. Like, I put the hair oil in. I also have a hair butter. You know about that. Some of you know about the hair butter. What are some of my favorite oils to use in my hair at the moment? I would say top is shea oil. It brings this extreme moisturizing quality, yet it is not overwhelming and it's not weighing my hair down. So I really love using the shea oil. Then secondly, I love coconut oil. Coconut oil I love using as a pre-conditioning treatment. I like to use it before I actually wash my hair. And with the baobab oil, I love it as a leave-in because it also is very light. It gives the hair amazing moisture, nourishment and all of that, but it doesn't feel heavy and doesn't weigh your hair down. So these are my top 3 oils at the moment. Shea oil, coconut oil, and baobab oil. So these are the 3 that I like to use, and so that's what I'm gonna do now. Actually, I'm gonna put some oils in my hair to moisturize them, and then hopefully I'll get to wash my hair tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll do a wash and style to follow up this video, and let's see how much better I can get my hair to look tomorrow. So a word of caution to anyone who's buying a new product that they're not sure about, they've never heard of. Please make sure that you try it on a section. If it's your skin, try it maybe on the back of your hand. If it's your hair, try it on a part of your hair, like a section of your hair. And that will keep you safe, because if there's any damage, it's not going to happen to the entire head of hair, which happened to me not so long ago. Still traumatized, but I'm working through it, guys. I'm working through it. So I guess I'm off to do my research and find out what's the next cool mask that I can do on my hair. If you have any suggestions, make sure you drop them in the comment section down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know, all that good stuff, so that when I'm coming back on and if there's a new video, you will be notified. So I always have a little stash hidden away for myself, you know. I have my Rasukli. I cannot live without Rasukli. I'm telling you, I love that stuff. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hopefully then my hair will be looking a whole lot better than it is now. See you next time.